Casey here with Trophy Woods. Thought I'd do a quick video after the frost of just how everything turned out on our food plot, summer food plot test. This is Japanese millet. Here's the Egyptian wheat. Here's our sorghum sedan. This is the foxtail millet. WGF grain sorghum. Laredo soybeans. This is cowpeas. This is lab. Here's mung bean. And then the rest of this is our drought mix. And I'll just show you on our drought mix that, yeah, a lot of the stuff on top is dead, but we still have green underneath with the brassicas, and they should stay green for quite a while. So if you'd like to order any seed mixes or have a custom mix you'd like made, contact us at trophywoods.com. Thanks.